Good morning, African Star International School learners. I'm teacher Celine, your grade 3 teacher. Welcome to your second mathematic e-learning lesson. Our topic for today is ordering and comparing. Before we start with our lesson, let's give the answer to lesson 1. We must all take our workbook where we did our activity in lesson 1 and follow when we give the feedback. Activity 1. Activity 1, you were counting forward. Now A, there is 8, 13, 18. Now the next missing number will start with 23. Here you are counting in 5. Now 23, 28, 33, 38, 43. B, 14, 16, 18. Now in B you are counting in twos. Now from 18 you go to 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Now C, 3, 7, 11. Here you are counting in fours. From 11 you add 4, you get 15, 19, 23, 27, 31. D, 2, 6, 10. In D, you are counting in D, you are counting in fours. Again. Now from 10, you go to 14, 18, 22, 26, 30. E, you are counting in 10. You start from 3, 13, 23. You add 10, you get 33, 43, 53, 63, 73. Activity 2, A, here you are counting backward. A, 33, 31, 29. Now here at A, you are counting in twos, backward. From 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19. B, 46, 42, 38. You are counting in fours, backward. 38, you go to 34, 30, 26, 22, 18. C, 81, 76, 71. You are counting backward in 5. From 71, 66, 61, 56, 51, 46. D, 98, 88, 78. You are counting in 10. Now from 78, you minus 10, 68, 58, 48, 38, 28. E, 42, 39, 36. You are counting in threes. Going back. 36 minus 3, get 33. 30, 27, 24, 21. Now let's come to our topic for today, ordering and comparing numbers. At the end of the lesson, learners will use mathematical vocabulary for ordering and comparing numbers. Now the first part, let's start with comparing numbers. We have three signs that we are using when we are comparing numbers to find out which one is the biggest or which one is the smallest. We use this sign, which means greater than. The other one, less than. And this one, equal to. As we have discussed already in the class, this sign where it's facing the number that is here, that means that this number have to be bigger than this number that is here, because the sign is wide open to this number, which means that this one is big, this side is big, and here is small. That's why this one, this sign is greater than, we also call it bigger than, and this one smaller than or less than, because this number here is small, which means that this number that have to be here is also small. Example 1, we say 7 is smaller than 8. 9 is bigger than 5. 3. Example 3, here you need to listen very carefully. 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. First, you need to solve the brackets. You need to add 1 to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So now you find out that this whole blanket is 4, which means 4 is equal to 4. 8, number 4, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, which is equal to 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is also 6. That means the 6 that is here is equal to this 6 that is here. Number 5, 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? Is 17. Now 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Now is 17 bigger than or smaller than 11? 17 is bigger than 11. 37 is less than 80. 61 is greater than 80. 3 is equal to 3. Now the second part is ordering numbers. Ordering, we have two terms that we use: ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, you order numbers from the smallest to the biggest. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We start from 2 to 8, from the smallest to the biggest. Descending order, you order number from the biggest to the smallest. For example, now let's rearrange the number that we arrange in ascending order. Let's start with the biggest number: 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now the activity of today have three numbers. Number 1, put the correct sign to compare numbers. A, 14, is it bigger than or smaller than or equal to 24? The same as B, C, D, and E. Number 2, arrange numbers in ascending order. A, 29, 9, 209, 902, 920, 290. 47, 18, 27, 104, 114, 411. Number 3, arrange numbers in descending order. A, 107, 701, 170, 710, 17, 71. B, 342, 324, 234, 243, 423, 432. So now, before we come to the end of our lesson, I want to explain the activity now, especially number 2 and number 3. A, here the number is having a lot of 9s. So to find out which number is the biggest, first If there is only a unit, that means that the number is the smallest. But if there is two numbers, there is a tenth and a unit. If there is three numbers, there is a hundred, there is a tenth and a unit. So now in terms of hundreds, where there is a hundred, you have to look at the first number, then the second number, and the last number, in case the numbers are looking almost the same. So we have come to the end of our lesson for today. Remember to keep safe. Remember to keep safe. Wash your hands and avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19. Thank you.